okurugirira bebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe okurwo mu district eji nibagera ngo kwijura ko mugerogu cereserwa hwenjura egwire shamwenda zo mwabazyo.
And particularly River Mubuku, it overflooded, and somewhere our 2 children were engulfed. We were two children. We had Mugume, aged 9 years, and Regan, aged 13 years.
Sande Kamahando rishe wa Regan Mugabe nagira ngo nawabira taroho konka kwa kiromuka nuko kumugera ngo abana batwarwa mutunga atone ko kwirukangira hamugera bito abantu babire baherize kubajabura mu
Nkentalo nasango mwana miziga mkwati ya kisaro bana babiri abukubanya nanye nzire nagamba ntinanye kankoro cyange kindashobole nayambuka amazing ndabira rutino rwambuku nayambuka amazing nkendiomu.
Right now we are running to midnight, and the locals have used all what it takes to rescue the boys right now. And we had secured the crane from Hima Cement, but also could not access the site because it is far.
The good news now, at exactly 11, that's a few minutes to midnight, we have been able to rescue the 2 children. I should say that their lives have been saved.
Luz Kahunde or kansara wa town council ya Mubuku aterire government omuranga ngwekere kubatera ho rutindo rwo kwambukiraho.
Choka government bensaba mbere tuli ordindo rifo kuli musenta kulu nikisadzo bensaba biyambi bordindo rundi eruguru kulu government mutuyambe.
They should help us when such a time for emergencies happen. They should also appear to help in time, because police took long to appear, and however much it appeared, it didn't bring the experts. It went back to bring the marine police.
During this season, the forecasting is saying we are going to receive heavy rains, and people should desist from using the valleys of River Nyamwamba, of River Mubuku. All our rivers are stubborn and they are susceptible to floods.
Ayitugerire kurwo mwanyogu tusigera abana bari kunywa majani nguga batagasomunda gasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi omurkasesi.